Hey guys, Oscar from Go Primate here, and in part 1 of this Gymnastic Rings for Beginners series, we're gonna go through if gymnastic rings are worth getting in the first place. So I'm gonna do my best here to give you an unbiased view on whether or not gymnastic rings are worth getting in the first place. Number 1, they're obviously very portable, so it makes it very easy for you to just take them to outdoor pull-up bar, set them up there and start your training. Number 2, they're very versatile. You can actually train most muscle groups just with rings. You can train your lats, your chest, your shoulders, the front, side and rear part of the shoulders, your traps, your biceps, your triceps, your forearms, quads, glutes, abs, and even hamstrings. And that might be very surprising for you to hear. Now that also makes it into one of the best at-home fitness equipments, because like I said, with just one equipment, all these possibilities and opportunities open up to you. Number 3, they're functional. Rings are very unstable when you train on them, and that instability is actually what makes them so functional. So because they're so unstable, you force to recruit a lot of stabilizing muscles, and you also get a lot more core engagement into your training this way. And that is actually what makes them so functional and builds that what you can call functional muscle. But that instability and functionality also does have a drawback, and that is that they're not the best equipment to build pure raw strength and size in specific places compared to something that's more fixed. An example here could be a ring push-up compared to a barbell bench press. So they're both very good at building muscle and strength in the chest, but rings, you're still fighting against the instability component, so you're not going to be able to build as much raw strength as a barbell bench press, for example, that's more fixed and more focused specifically on the chest. Now ring push-ups of course had the functional aspect of it, so that's all good. So again, both are very good exercises, but the rings are not the best for building that extreme size and strength in specific places. Now don't misunderstand and get discouraged here thinking that rings can't build a muscle or strength, because they actually do that very well. So I'm going to show you a picture here. Here I was only training with rings for 16 to 20 weeks, so nothing else, no bands, nothing else, only rings during this time period here, and I was able to get pretty good results. And I'm just sharing this with you so you can see that you can actually build a lot of muscle and strength just using rings, but just not to the very extreme ends as other methods could possibly do in specific places. Number 4, they're very affordable. Even under 50 euros or $50, you're able to get a set of really good quality rings, and that's a very small investment taken into consideration all the benefits you actually get from rings. I will definitely say that rings are worth getting, considering it's such a small investment financially compared to all the big benefits you actually get from gymnastic rings. If you decide that you're gonna go and get yourself a pair of rings, then I'll leave a link down below on a pair of some really good rings that you can have a look at. So now that you know that rings are worth getting, now you need to find out where to hang them. So make sure you go and check out part 2 of this series to find out where to hang your gymnastic rings. If you found this video helpful, then please give the video a like, it's highly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more bodyweight training and at-home fitness tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.